Toto was a little turtle with a cozy shell, but he felt a big worry inside, the wide, deep pond. All his friends, like the loud splashing frogs and happily quacking ducks, loved to swim there. Shiny fish wiggled their tails and darted playfully under the water. Toto watched from the grassy shore, wishing he could join them. His little heart went thump, thump, thump as Freddie Frog called, "Come on, Toto!" Daisy Duck added, "The water is warm and fun." Toto sadly shook his head, whispering, "It's too big. I'm scared to swim." Sammy Fish swam to the edge, gently bubbling, "Just try one little toe." Toto looked at the water, took a very deep breath, and slowly, carefully, began to put one tiny toe in the pond. He was determined to try. Blink! The water felt cool and soft on his toe. It was not scary at all, and he even wiggled it. Toto moved another toe, surprised by the pleasant feeling. He chirped, "I did it!" His friends cheered loudly as Toto smiled a big, happy turtle smile. He was brave and learned that he could overcome his fears in small steps. This wonderful realization made him feel truly happy.